content about crypto. And then for users who maybe heard about crypto and what is Bitcoin, how to buy the first Bitcoin.
You go ahead and buy a Bitcoin so far?
Yeah.
And at what price did you buy it?
And more young people are coming to this industry. And it's like very buzz, like Web3 with AI, the blockchain.
Can you highlight some of the innovative ways at Binance that you've taken to sort of educate people? Welcome to Token 2049 Dubai. My name is Madiha Khan for Voice of Crypto, and right now I have with me Miss Nats from Binance. Welcome, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
So let's start off with your role. What is really your role at Binance?
So I'm affiliate manager at Binance. In a short words, I help to convert non-Binance users to Binance users. I help Binance to grow users from the web and from their app. And I work with publications, crypto projects, like traffic buyers and my clients. Yeah, that's my main goal.
So, just talking about the main goal and the kind of work that you do, there's the traditional financial market, and then there's a decentralized financial market. How do you, sort of in your head put a balance between both of them? And what is the kind of role that you play when somebody from the traditional background comes in over here?
So my main role is to find the right educator. For example, we work with like educational platforms where they educate content about crypto, and then for users who maybe heard about crypto and what is Bitcoin, how to buy the first Bitcoin, and then we find the right content creator, the educational platform, and then they help to convert those users to Binance. So I'm kind of playing the role of, like the eye to find the gem that who can bring the people on board. That's my role in the traditional finance and crypto finance.
And when did you personally really stumble onto this world? Like, how long has your journey been?
That's a very interesting question. So when I first got into college, my dad actually gave me a wallet, and he gave me he transferred one Bitcoin when the Bitcoin price is relatively low to the point as my college gift. And he gave me a mission to say, okay, this is there's money in this wallet, and then you need to unlock this wallet. It's on your own. So that's how I actually start my crypto journey with my dad. He was an early investor in crypto in early 2017. So, and then after maybe step by step influenced by him, I applied my college about blockchain, marketing and stuff. So that's how I kind of shivered into crypto space.
That's a great story, and that's a really nice gift that your father's given you. Now tell me, have you, post that, did you go ahead and buy a Bitcoin so far?
Yeah.
And at what price did you buy it? I want to know.
When he was giving me, it was 15,000 something. Right now it's 60K, right?
Wow.
When I was given by, it was 50K, 15K.
And now it's 60. That's nice.
Yeah. That was my gift from my dad, previously.
That's great. So, you're working right now, and I'm guessing that there's been few years. A lot of things that we've all learned over the period, a lot of mistakes we've done, and for the coming future, we think about doing things differently. So from your journey so far in the world of Web3, what are a few learnings that you've had?
That's a really, really great question. So, I think right now, Web3 is kind of it's very evolving, and people there, I see, more people are coming to this industry, and more young people are coming to this industry, and it's very buzz, Web3 with AI, the blockchain, and then the DeFi and DEX is so many projects, so many things going on. But still, the whole Web3 crowd is still like a bubble. So people in the world, maybe your neighbors, your friends, or teachers, they still don't know about this. What is Bitcoin? What is this digital money concept? So it's like still bubble. Within this bubble, people are talking to each other and people are very hype about it. But outside this bubble, people don't know about Web3. People don't know about Bitcoin. So the infrastructure education is what we neglected so far. So I think we need when we need to like attract more crowd into the space, we needed to make the message very, very simple. It's not that those jargons, those big words, they are actually intimidating, but actually we should make the message very, very simple in terms of our marketing languages, in terms of our campaigns, in terms of the way we communicate to the outside world. That's how we can actually bring more new blood into this industry.
That's great, and I would want to come back to some of the jargons, but a little later. I think there's a question that is going to be very relevant to you, and that is that, there's a lot of information in education that's required right now in this industry for the ones who are already here and also for the ones who come from outside. Can you highlight some of the innovative ways at Binance that you've taken to sort of educate people?
So one of the innovative ways we do is we do have a learning platform called Binance Academy, which is like a very interactive platform that learners, when they search maybe what is Bitcoin, we have a very interactive course where they complete the course and then watch the cartoon video we create, and then they can redeem some vouchers on Binance and start their crypto journey. So we provide like a one-stop journey from education to actually trading experience. And then after the trading, we have more integrated like services for traders, more campaigns and more activities with our whole ecosystem. Yeah,
that's great. That's actually a great way to educate people out there. What do you think about meme coins? Quickly.
Well, I think it represents the emotions. Like it provides a marketplace for people who need to express their emotions. I think meme is like a great way to express it. And the price of meme is like the emotions of the Web3 people. Yeah, it's the emotions of the market from my personal perspective.
That's great. All right. So coming back to, you spoke about the fact that, we need to be simpler on our jargons and the kind of terms that we use so that we don't intimidate people. So right now, if you had to debunk a term or just explain any of the jargon to us, what would that be? And this one, I want you to directly address our audience and stay. For our audience, just, explain us any one jargon or debunk the term for us.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's a very great challenge. So what kind of jargon? Maybe Bitcoin?
Yes, please go ahead with that. You must talk about it.
I think Bitcoin is just buy it.
Yeah, definitely.
From my personal perspective.
Yes.
Your one and only journey to Web3. Yeah.
That's nice. That was really nice. One final thing is, a piece of advice that you'd want to give to somebody who's just starting off their journey in Web3, or especially to the young ones out there, because, a lot of, college pass outs or somebody who's already in college and school is sort of getting into this, but, play to earn kind of transactions that we have. So a piece of advice that you'd want to give to the young minds out there?
I think the advice I can provide is don't be intimidated and always ready to learn and adapt. And you always you can always feel inspired. Yeah. Web3 is like a place that you will never get bored. It's like full of changes and full of stories. It's a place that you can have so many stories to explore and just enjoy it and embrace it. Yeah.
Perfect. And just one final thing, since you yourself are a very young person who is into this market, what I want to know from you is just name 3 of the founders of crypto or anybody that you sort of follow or are inspired from.
First, the founders, CZ, Richard, and He.
Nice, great choice. Thank you so much for talking to us, and all the best with everything that you do.
Thank you as well. Pleasure to be here.